Yeah. Welcome. I am the FX Savant, and your boy did something nice today. We got some dubs. So, what is this video about? This video is about me. Shit. Nah. But what I do want to do today is we had a really nice day over in the group, in the program. So what I want to do is just go over the trades that I called today. Why not? So let's go. We on Telegram, the FX Savant signal. So today is currently October the 12th. I don't know if you can see. October the 12th. 2:24. So we had the watch list update yesterday at 5. So market close, like I say, go to the market close, market open, market changeover, do the watch list, prepare for the next day. On the next day, within there is included everything, all the pairs that are satisfying all the strategies. Go ahead and get the program to learn the strategies. And then this is also what's offered in there as well, is the trade with me. You can trade with me every single day. I give you a breakdown on the pairs that I'm looking at that satisfies. I give a breakdown every day on the pairs that satisfies the strategies that I use. So I keep you updated, and then on top of that, I give you the signal when it's time to go ahead and enter into the trade with the correct entry, the stop, and the take profit, just like this right here. So if we click on the screen, what do we have? This is USD DKK. So we had a buy limit here with our stop here, our take profit up there at the top. So that was sent out at about 6. So a little after the watch list update. Then in the morning today, as you see today at right around 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, GBP NZD sale. This is what we was looking at, looking for a sale there. We had NZD JPY buy. Also had AUD JPY buy limit set for that. AUD CHF buy limit. AUD CAD buy limit. So I want to give the real scoop that they're probably not telling you, or probably not showing you the other people on here, but these are the trades. So let's go over to USD DKK. What do we got rolling right here? So as you can see, price was right around in here, and then now at about 2:30 in the afternoon Eastern Standard Time, price is currently sitting at about 2R, looking for another 1R. Take profit will be reached. So that is the one trade. Then we had GBP NZD as well. So short little GBP NZD. If we go back to it, we can look it up as well. Let's see, sell limit 604. You know, everything's on screen right there. And if we go back to it, what do we see? GBP came right back to our entry, then immediately shot down to take profit. Hey, we had AUD. Which one of the AUDs was next? NZD JPY. Let's go to NZD JPY. So we had the NZD JPY, and boom, this was the first NZD JPY. It's the only one we saw. We had our everything right here. Came back, stop loss. So we had a take profit and a stop loss hit. Take profit for 2R, stop loss 1R. We're still up 1R on the day, and we have one running that is in profit. Then what happened? AUD JPY as well. So AUD JPY, and I guess this is a little foreshadowing if I gave you the first one of that. So here's AUD JPY, the first trade. Boom, stop loss. So we got one winner, 2 losses, and it's break even. The one winner was 2R, 2 losses was 1R, canceled each other out. Plus we had USD DKK running currently while this was open. So let's go down. What else did we have? AUD CHF, AUD Swiss. What happened on that? Boom, stop loss. Stop loss hit. We had another stop loss on AUD CHF. Man, what's going on? So now we're minus 1R on the day. We've taken how many? 4 trades? Well, 5 trades, really, if you want to count the one. So we've taken 5 trades. We've got 1 winner and 3 losses. The 1 winner stopped us out for 2R, or the 1 winner, yeah, did stop us out for 2R, but it was 2R in profit. Stopped us out for 2R, take profit. So we're up 2R. Then we lost one, was it break even? Lost 1 more. So now we were down negative 1R, but we still also had 1 running. Correct. So what was next? AUD CAD. And this is where things start to get a little bit interesting. Let's go to AUD CAD. So we had AUD CAD. 1430. And price came in, draw down a little bit, played around, looked like we were going to have a lot of rejection in this area and continue to the downside after the other AUD pairs all hit stop loss, including NZD JPY. But price broke back above structure, came back, retest our entry one more time, then continued to ride on up to take profit. So another take profit hit. So we were down 1R, we hit another take profit for 2R. So now we're back up 1R on the day. all in one day. This is all in one day. And then AUD CHF buy limit, re-entry. So we're going to re-enter on AUD CHF. So let's go to the second position on AUD CHF. And what happened here? Well, on the second position, we got triggered in pretty easily. And then after that, price skyrocketed, came back and almost tested the entry, but skyrocketed to the upside, went break even, and then continued to hit take profit. So another take profit hit on a trade that lost 1R, re-entered in on it, and then went on to take profit. So now we're up 3R on the day. But let's keep going. We still, you know what I mean? Everything, let them know, keep them updated. Remember, when you're trading correlating pairs, pick one or split the risk. You don't want to over risk, even though you are still trading correlating pairs. You don't want to over risk, because if one hits stop loss, then more than likely the other ones are going to, like in this instance. And then it doesn't always happen. That's the same way trading works. We know how trading works. It's not always 100% guaranteed. So in like the AUD CAD instance, it did not hit stop loss on the first entry. It went on to take profit. But then we had an AUD JPY re-entry as well as an NZD JPY re-entry. But on both of these, price did not come back to our entry to trigger us. Probably could have done something a little here instead of being so aggressive or so greedy. I tried to get the most I could out of this re-entry, especially since I got stopped out on the first one, or we got stopped out on the first one. I wanted to wait and get the perfect entry on the second one. I didn't want to really over risk or get into the market in a situation I didn't want to be into. If I was going to get into the market, I wanted to be at a price point that I wanted to, in order to solidify my bias and analysis of everything. So we did not get into AUD JPY nor NZD JPY, and they both went on to hit take profit after came down and hit stop loss. So we're up 3R on the day, but we still have this USD DKK still running at about 2R. So essentially 5R. Let me go ahead and you know what it is. So the log for the day, as you can see, GBP NZD take profit, NZD JPY, AUD JPY, AUD CHF all stop loss, then the AUD CAD and AUD CHF re-entry all hit take profit. So sitting at a profit of about $3,000, which is about 1%. And then on top of that, sitting quite nicely on this USD DKK, I'll show you the entry and we can have this on screen as well. It looks just the same as it does on this screen. Let me go to the 1 hour to make it, you know, your boy, we rocking, we rolling. What you see on here is what you see on the screen as well. And y'all know you see your boy with the freshie. We ain't got 1,000 subscribers yet. I'm mad at y'all for that. We ain't at 1,000 subscribers yet, but I did get a haircut. I had to pay, but I did get a haircut. But yeah, I just wanted to say overall a really good day. 5+R on the day. So we closed out at about 3R and then got about another 3R running, really about 2.5-2R running on this position, which is a good day. I mean, funding challenge, you passed in one day, taking these signals with the knowledge of what you learn in the program. So you learn the knowledge on how to take these trades and how to analyze the chart in order to find these trades, and then you get the signals, trade with me to understand, okay, this is the correct pair showing the correct thing. Yeah, same thing matched up with me. All right, here's where I'm getting in. If you want to, go ahead and join with your boy. We can both eat. Now we understand the same thing, and then look, hey, I'm a hush up one time. But yeah, I'm just really excited. We had a really good day. Not all days are like this. That's why I want to take full advantage of it. Basking in the moment. I don't want to get too high, because it did just come off a losing streak too. Not even gonna cap about that. We did have a rough August, but starting to look on the up and up. It's a great start to this month of October. October the 12th, we had a couple of wins before too in the previous weeks. So I think, what was that USD JPY breakdown I did in a recent video? So more trades like this happening. Get this knowledge, man. That's all I'm saying. Is I'm really out here trying to teach somebody something, trying to teach you how to understand the market, and then you can apply that knowledge to your own trading as well, or you can just use the strategies that I provide to you in the program if you don't want to do all the testing and all the difficulties of creating a full-fledged profitable strategy. Come on and join the program. We have days like this, not all days like this. Disclaimer. You saw it at the beginning of the video, the disclaimer. Don't always have days like this. Like I said, just came off a losing streak. Not gonna lie about it, it's the real trading, but there are days like this where you have a wonderful day early on in the week that just sets up the rest of the month for your trading. So yeah, just wanted to come on here and just talk about myself and gloat one time. I got to show off the good stuff. You know what I mean? It's not all just rough stuff, trading rigorous, staying up. up all night trying to figure out how to get a Sometimes it's nice, sometimes it's fun, sometimes it's a fun. All right, I'm going on too much about bullcrap, man. Let me wrap the video up. Look, join the program, man. You get to learn how I take these trades. Look at this right here, no drawdown. It came down right to the entry, tapped me in, then continued to go all the way up. And this is about to go for 290 pips. So you're talking about people who count pips. This is almost 300 with a 3R risk to reward ratio. You show me someone else that you know that's doing this, that's having this amount of pips with this big of a risk to reward ratio. Someone either has one or the other. Either they're getting 300 pips, but they're also risking 150, or they're getting a 1 to 3, but they're only looking for 12, 15 pips. So I'm putting them both together. And then on top of that, not only is there swing trading, there's day trading as well, where you get to learn how to trade exactly like this to take trades. Another instance where price came right into the entry we were looking for and then immediately came back into profit. Yes, it was a little bit of drawdown, but overall, right into our entry, right out, straight to take profit. So I'm learning how to do this. You also have the opportunity to trade with me every single day. I give you a watch list of all the pairs that currently match the strategies. Every day I go over the pairs that match up with our strategies perfectly and show you how to apply the strategies that we use on them while giving you the exact entry, stop, and take profit that I use. So what else do you need, man? What else more do you need, man? Come on, come join. Also, like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let's spread this video out there. This is real education. You're not finding no trades like this anywhere else. You're not getting this anywhere else, but yeah, that's it, man. I made this extra long, too long for what it needed to be. Fresh haircut, good ad day, you know what I mean? About 5-sit bound day, and then we rocking like that. So yeah, but that's it, man. I appreciate you for viewing. See you at the FX Savant University, man. Comment down below any topic about trading you would like for me to address. Other than that, I hope you have a profitable day on and off the charts. I holla.